What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome to Trading Like Magic. And today is September 3, 2021 and we are on grid. Guys, just to let you know, probably next week I'm going to change my name from Trading Like Magic to Naked Crypto because I found Trading Like Magic is too long and Naked Crypto because my strategy is naked trading and I focus on cryptocurrency, so Naked Crypto. CoinGecko today, Bitcoin, Ethereum 5% up, Solana is 22.8% up, Doge is down, Litecoin is 9.7% up, Bitcoin Cash is 4.5% up. Top gainers of the day, Bitcoin Cash, Solana, Near, Audio, Avalanche, Phantom, Litecoin. Top gainers of the week, Bitcoin Cash, AR, FTM, Solana, IOTA, Kusama, FTT. Top losers of the week, we have SAFEMOON, AMP, Cake, Clay, Maker, QNT. Okay guys, before we go to the chart, if you can like and share my videos, that would be appreciated. It helps the algorithm. So yesterday we talked about this hot holo and we were just here and now we hit the top of the flagpole. Let's adjust the Fibonacci and it actually broke already on this resistance. So let's draw the target from here to here. So our target would be 0.015. That would be our target. And QTUM, it already break on this flag. So our target would be somewhere at $19. IOTX, we're still here on this descending channel here, but we are already on the golden ratios. Let's see if the price will pop up to the all-time high. So that is 15 cents. And AVAX, it already broke on the triangle, and let's see if the price will our first target will be on the $55. If it breaks to this resistance here, then our target would be $80. Dash, it already broke on this resistance here, and let's see, our target for now is 280, which is the all-time high. So if this is the flagpole of the pennant, so our target would be 308, but for now let's aim for the top of the flagpole, which is 283. Cake swap, I'm not really fan of it. Looks like it's going to drop. ICP, I said yesterday, it's mixed. There's a descending channel and there's also a triangle here, a bullish pennant, but it's a mix, so I won't. Guys, if you're following my trades on TradingView, I posted this one since here, and I post another one here and another one here, and it went up. So Bitcoin, good news, it already broke on this resistance here. We talked about this yesterday and now it's right here. It's already broke. It broke already on the 50,000 level, but still we are still on the top of the megaphone, so we still need to be careful. Dogecoin, our count is 1 2 3 4 5, and we have the ABC correction, ABC. We might still see the price somewhere here at 50, but if we put the C here, it's called flat. It's also counted, but right now it's there's undecisive candles here, so there's a Doge, so we might see the price still come here. Let's see. But if you want to add positions now for Dogecoin, it's fine. Okay, let's remove the Elliott wave so we can see it clearly. So there you go, guys. Let's move the okay, beautiful bullish flag, guys. Okay, so if this is our flagpole here, guys, so our target would be somewhere at 40 cents, 41 cents. Beautiful bullish flag for Doge. FTM, it already reached the all-time high and it can develop a cup and handle. So let's see if the price will drop a bit and break on this resistance here. Solana, you already missed the boat. So let's see if the price will go for a bounce back and to the moon, guys. Solana is doing great. Bitcoin Cash actually is doing there's still lots of room to go up. Right now we do have on the 4-hour chart, we see a bullish flag or descending channel. So this is a bullish patterns. Right now it's about to break on this flag. Not really fan of the structure. SAFEMOON, we broke on this trend line and it popped up, and right now we are on the golden ratio, which is 0.618. Let's see if the price will pop up and reach the target of the all-time high. So but my exchange doesn't have SafeMoon. It's available on gate.io, but I don't have this broker. But it looks promising though. On the 4-hour chart, looks like a bearish flag, so I won't touch it. Our crypto index is doing great. Let's see if the price will reach the all-time high, which is 6.7. So last night, guys, I posted this one, IOTX on golden ratio, dash and triangle, Ravencoin. Oh, Ravencoin is actually doing great. So I posted this one, Ravencoin bullish flag. Yes, the price already popped up a bit, but this is a daily chart, so it's kind of slow. We might still see the price go down here at 0.618, and before we break, it has to break this trend line here too. That's one of my top altcoins to invest in. So Dash, Ravencoin. So these are my top altcoins, guys. IOTX, Dash, Ravencoin, AVAX, Dogecoin, QTUM, Hot. Guys, if you want to follow my trades on TradingView, I put the link below. So Hot, QTUM, IOTX, AVAX, Dash, Dogecoin, and Ravencoin. Ravencoin there's a trend line here though. It has to break on this trend line, but it's a beautiful bullish flag. It already hit the 0.618, which is the golden ratio. And if we draw the target, our target would be 20 cents. Okay, guys, if you find this video valuable, please like and share. That's all I ask. And if there's cryptocurrency you want me to add, just comment down below. So take care, and I love you guys. See you on probably Tuesday. See you next week, okay? Enjoy the weekend. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye.